Have you ever wondered on how to match your balloon colors to a party invitation? Well, if you are still wondering, keep on watching that video. Let's say our client sent us an email asking if we could come up with colors based on the theme of their invitation that has already been sent to all of the guests. So here is what I do. Typically, I go to either Canva or PowerPoint and attach a picture of the invitation. This time, I will use the PowerPoint. Then I open my color guide from the Decor Lab membership and pick 3 to 4 balloon colors that will fit the color scheme the best. That being said, colors for that install will be Blue Slate by Tuftex, Fog by Tuftex, White Sand by Sempertex, Fashion Peach by Sempertex. Next thing, I will put in a simple sketch, also utilizing the PowerPoint. I'm doing this simply to show off how colors would look together and that it will match the color scheme of the invitation. Okay, let's check the real color for the balloons. I typically inflate them all to make sure I'm still happy with the palette. Now let's inflate all colors in a variety of sizes. I'm putting a bigger and smaller clusters together that will give me a nice dimension. I will also create 5-inch quads for fillers. Okay, all of my clusters are ready to be attached. All we need is the base for a freestanding garland. I will use a pipe and drape upright base, but it's okay if you don't have it. Simply use a floral lamp base that you can get on Amazon or in most department stores. Now, alternating clusters, I will add them to the base, simply just twisting them over the pipe. That is our base. Now we will extend it with our leftover clusters. I will use the loops of 260s, but if you wish, you can use the rubber band. I will create a nice base on the floor and will organically extend garland to sides, curving it on the top. Lastly, our fillers. I'm adding them matching colors. I'm also using my 260s loops to attach it. And here you go, you guys. This is how it went from this to this to that and finished with this. And just like that, we have just matched our whole display to a party invitation colors. What do you guys think about this whole setup and how we did that? Leave a comment below and let us know. In the meantime, make sure you subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video.